As a facilities manager, are you plagued with the constant nuisance of dealing with unexpected equipment breakdowns that disrupt your operation and lead to costly repairs? Do you find your facility maintenance team always firefighting, trying to keep things running smoothly? Many facility managers face similar challenges, and most often the cause is the absence of a good maintenance plan. You know how complex facility maintenance is, how unexpected breakdowns can halt operations and lead to significant downtime and high repair costs, and inefficiencies in maintenance can cause prolonged disruptions and affect productivity is known to you. And let's not forget how failing to adhere to safety protocols results in severe accidents. But then there is a solution to this all, and it lies in planning. Without a structured maintenance plan, these problems only escalate. Facility managers often feel overwhelmed by the sheer volume of tasks, struggling to keep up with maintenance schedules while addressing urgent repairs. This reactive approach not only increases cost but also hampers the overall efficiency and safety of the facility. By implementing a comprehensive maintenance plan, you successfully achieve all your targets and build an ideal facility maintenance ecosystem. Let's explore how this can be achieved as we guide you through the essential steps to build an effective facility maintenance plan. The first step in creating a maintenance plan is to conduct a thorough facility audit. Start by inspecting all equipment and infrastructure to assess their current condition. Then identify areas that need immediate attention and note down recurring issues. Next, define the maintenance tasks required for each piece of equipment. Categorize tasks into preventive, predictive, and corrective maintenance. Clearly describe each task and include detailed instructions for execution. Prioritize the maintenance activities based on their importance and urgency. Consider factors like equipment criticality, failure impact, and legal requirements. With this, you will be able to allocate resources more effectively and address the most critical issues first. Next, build a maintenance schedule that outlines when each task should be performed. The best way to carry out this step is to leverage a facility maintenance software that automates scheduling, sends reminders, and tracks progress. Now, it's time you allocate the necessary resources for each maintenance task. Include personnel, tools, and spare parts, and all other human and non-human resources required to perform the operations. The right resources must be available at the right time so that there are no delays. After you have scheduled in your hand and also resources, implement the maintenance plan by executing the scheduled tasks. Monitor the progress and ensure compliance with the plan. Track the status and make adjustments as needed. Safety is as critical as operational execution. It defines the efficiency of your operations. Make all your maintenance activities adhere to health, safety, and environmental protocols. Stick to the standard safety norms, provide appropriate safety gear, follow standard operating procedures, and dispose waste responsibly. As the plan progresses, you must be able to gauge how it has fared. So, use performance metrics to measure the effectiveness of your maintenance plan. Track key indicators like downtime, repair costs, and compliance rates. Use this data to continuously improve your maintenance processes. What about emergencies? Your plan cannot work ideally every time. Prepare for emergencies by creating an emergency response plan. Conduct regular drills and have all personnel trained to handle emergencies efficiently, so that in the event of any emergency there is a minimal damage and you can bounce back quickly. All these steps we discussed must be recorded. As a result, document all maintenance activities and keep records updated. Provide ongoing training to your maintenance team so that they are familiar with the latest procedures and technologies. By following these 10 steps, you can create a comprehensive facility maintenance plan that ensures efficiency, reduces downtime, and maintains safety standards. Field Circle makes it easy to manage all these aspects with its intuitive software solution. Learn how you can use Field Circle to improve facility maintenance operations. Schedule a demo now.